Welcome to the Voice of the Lord. Our verse for today is in Romans 14, verse 12. So then, each of us will give an account of himself to God. This emphasizes the fact that we are responsible for our own actions. We cannot pass on the blame to somebody else. We shall be made to account for our own action individually, personally. Even if you are part of a group, don't say that, well, we did it as a group and we can justify this as a group. No. Individually in that group, you shall be made to account for your own actions. And nobody will suffer the consequence of your action but you yourself. And so this should give us, friends, a better idea on how to conduct ourselves. We can be in a group. Yes, we can be in a company. And everybody is doing all kinds of wickedness. And we thought that, well, we are in a group anyway, so we will all be made to account. And maybe the punishment will be light, especially if you are with somebody that is influential. But remember that no. You are accountable for whatever you have done before God. Maybe before men, they will try to overlook it. Because again, you are in the company of influential people, wicked people that are influential. And you can maybe evade the consequence of your actions as a group. But remember, before God, you are to be made account for your own action. Big or small, friends, God will make you to account for it. And therefore, let us be conscious about the things that we say and do. Don't find confidence in your company, whoever you are going with. Well, a lot of people, friends, they find confidence in them. Oh, I'm with so-and-so, very influential, very rich. I can overcome these challenges. Well, don't be fooled. Before God, individually, friends, we shall be made to account for our own actions. Amen. I cannot overemphasize that because this is the truth. Amen. This is the truth. Many will find it, well, in the end, maybe they say that, well, I can actually hide among these people that are with me. But in the end, they will find it the hard way when they themselves are suffering. Well, remember that God is just. The justice of God demands that we will be made to account for our own actions, whether good or evil. Yes, among all kinds of people, friends, maybe you are in a company of wicked people, but you chose to do good. You shall be made to account for that, and God will reward you for what you have done. In the midst of wicked people, yes, there is a reward. So don't be fooled that because you are with them that you will perish. No. Remember that we are in a world, and this world is perishing. But Jesus came to save those who would believe individually. Amen. Yes, he will not come to save the whole world because the whole world is not expected to all believe in Jesus. But those who believe in him will not perish. And God will reward you for that good work that you have done and will continue to do. And so, friends, whether good or evil, we shall stand before God and to make an account for everything that we've done. So this is the truth that we should understand. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord keep you. May his face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. May he lift up his countenance on you and give you his peace, his shalom. God bless. See you again next time. Bye.